And now some breaking news coming in from Maharashtra. This is regarding the three-language policy in Maharashtra. Well, yesterday the Chief Minister had revoked two government resolutions regarding the three-language policy, which was being seen as imposition of Hindi. And now the Chief Minister has said that we are not against the Hindi language. We are not against any language of the nation. When Uddhav Thackeray and his party were in power, they had made mandatory the teaching of Hindi. Which was according to a committee recommendation, and he called Uddhav Thackeray Palturam. He named him, he christened him Palturam, and said that we have formed a committee that will study and present its report. Let's listen to what Devendra Fadnavis has said.
उनका हिंदी को विरोध है, हमारा हिंदी को विरोध नहीं है। इस देश की किसी भी भाषा को हमारा विरोध नहीं है, हिंदी को तो बिल्कुल हमारा विरोध नहीं है। लेकिन जहाँ तक हिंदी को कंपलसरी सिखाने का सवाल है, तो इस संदर्भ में जो निर्णय हुआ था, उन्हीं के कार्यकाल में कमेटी बनी थी। उस कमेटी में उनके उपनेता भी थे। उसी कमेटी ने निर्णय लिया था, उस निर्णय को कैबिनेट ने उनके ही स्वीकारा था। तो ये पलटी लेना, पलट जाना, ये उनकी आदत है। वो हमेशा पलटते रहते हैं। यानी पलटू राम, ये नाम उनके लिए बहुत सही है।
Now, for more on this, I'm joined by Ritvik Bhalekar. Ritvik, you know, it's quite interesting what Devendra Fadnavis says here, because earlier Uddhav Thackeray had claimed that he never read that report of the committee, and that is why he never bothered with the implementation of the third language policy. So, here Devendra Fadnavis is now accusing him of completely the opposite thing.
Absolutely. The report was submitted on September 2020, and the committee was formed in the same year in October. There were recommendations that Hindi and English should be used as a second language in school curriculum from standard 1st to standard 12. And that report was also accepted when Uddhav Thackeray was Chief Minister during Mahavikas Aghadi regime. But now when Devendra Fadnavis-led Mahayuti Alliance had accepted the report and they had taken a decision, though they have taken a decision back now, but they are still confirming the fact that Uddhav Thackeray was the one who, as a Chief Minister, had initiated the process of applying Hindi language as a compulsory language. And now